Hello students, today we are going to start with a new chapter, Nature's Gift to Us. In this chapter, we'll talk about natural resources. Nature has gifted us with lots of things such as air, water, forest, soil, minerals, wildlife. These things are called natural resources. Certain things which are made by men and are not naturally found are called man-made resources. For example, roads, building, vehicles, tables and chairs. But most of the things that are man-made are require natural resources. For example, table. For making table, we need wood and that comes from trees, which is our natural resource. Types of natural resources. There are two types of natural resources, renewable or we can say inexhaustible resource, non-renewable or exhaustible resources. Renewable resources are those resources that can never get exhausted or completely finished. For example, light, wind, water, soil, plants and animals. These things can never get exhausted. Non-renewable resources are those resources that are limited and cannot be renewed. For example, minerals, oil, natural gas or metals. Children, therefore, some of the metals are very expensive because they are limited in nature. Renewable resources. Our first renewable resource is water. Water is one of the most important resource which is provided by the nature. And there are many sources of water that we found on earth. For example, oceans, rivers, ponds, lakes and streams. And the water is very important for our life. It is essential for us because we use it in many ways. We use it for irrigation, transport, household chores and for many other things. We should be careful while using it. 70% of our earth is covered with water, but still only 3% is of fresh water, and from out of this 3% only 1% we get for our use. So we should save it and prevent its pollution. Our next natural resource is soil. Soil is another very important gift of nature, and soil is formed from rocks and decomposing plants and animals. It makes the outermost layer of the earth and required to grow plants. There are 4 types of soil that we found in India. First one is red soil, black soil, alluvial soil and laterite soil. Out of these soil, alluvial soil is the most fertile soil. The northern plains are the most fertile area of our India. The northern plains are situated to the south of the Himalayas. Northern plains have alluvial fertile soil which is needed to grow crops and are drained by rivers Ganga, Brahmaputra and Indus. It is also called football of India as many and different types of crops grow here. Deltas. The rivers flowing from Himalayas carry sediments. When these sediments are carried to the mouth of the river and get deposited in triangular shaped islands, they are called deltas. These deltas are very fertile. And Sundarban Delta is one of the examples in India. Our next natural resource is plant. Plants are also a gift of nature to us. These are also called our green friends. Nature grows lots of trees and plants in some areas, and these are called forests. These trees provide food, materials for shelter, fuel to warm us, and replenish the air we breathe. Trees provide food for animals and habitat for wildlife. Hence, we should protect the forest. There are 5 types of forests that we found in India. First one is evergreen forest. These forests are green throughout the year. Rosewood and ebony are the example of trees that we found in these areas. Deciduous forest. These forests are also called monsoon forest. The trees in these areas shed their leaves every year in the dry season. And the example of trees are teak, sal, mahua. Third is thorny forest. These forests are generally found in the desert areas. The example of trees are kikar, babur. Fourth is mountain forest. These forests are found in Himalayas region. They also have coniferous trees here. And the trees in these areas mostly are tall and cone shaped. Example of trees are chir, deodar, pine. Fifth forest is tidal forest. They are found near the deltas of the major rivers. And the most of the trees that are found are mangroves. Animals are another very important natural resource. For humans, animals are a productive resource. First of all, they supply a wide variety of foods that man needs to survive. For example, milk, cheese, eggs, butter, cold meat, and etc. And some of the animal species such as corals and oysters are also used by men to produce jewels and handicraft.